How to put do not disturb mode on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on a device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Here select on settings, and as you select on settings, you can simply scroll down and tap on notifications. So as you tap on notifications, you can see there is no option to keep the WhatsApp on do not disturb mode. You can definitely turn off the notifications and so on, but to put the do not disturb mode on WhatsApp is not really possible. If you want to do a put do not disturb mode on WhatsApp, you simply have to put DND mode on your device as well. So go to the settings application and then simply scroll down, tap on sound and vibration. Scroll down again and here you can see the do not disturb mode. Tap on it and simply toggle on the option over here and you'll be able to put DND mode or do not disturb mode on WhatsApp as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.